Yeah, let's go. Hurry up, let's go. I got the hiccups. You shouldn't argue with the doctor. Lie down.
Now, baby, you have to jump on all of them. Jump like you mean it. Ow.
Unbelievable. He's not fixed. Give him medicine. Yeah, not this medicine. A medicine for hiccups.
Ow, I know that. This is just a toy from my cute little sweet little baby. This kid's problem won't go away easily. Throat's dried up. Give him a big fat boo.
What did you say? What does that mean?
Things that are fatty, like deep fried donuts, cheese sandwiches, yummy burgers, huge cakes. Got it?
But doctor, how are all these things going to fix Honey's hiccups, huh?
Who is the doctor? Me, Dr. Root, the friendly dude. Go, do as I told you. Now it's time for my shock treatment.
What?
I mean, there is a patient in my hospital. It's time for his shock treatment. Get out, I say. Get out.
Stomach is going to burst. Till there.